Hey everybody, it's Patty. Hope you're all doing good on this Friday afternoon. I am going to make a egg salad with dill recipe. I'll be using the Chop and Prep Chef. So let's get started here. So I'm going to read off the ingredients. It's egg salad with dill. It has 1 shallot, but I'll be using some regular onion. 1 tablespoon fresh dill, 1 tablespoon drained capers, 2 hard-boiled eggs, halved, and 2 tablespoon mayonnaise, and salt and pepper to taste. So let's get started. This here is the Chop and Prep Chef. I've demoed this a number of times here on the group, but just in case we have some new members, this is really cool gadget. I love using this. I use it about once a week in my meals that I make here at home, but it's a really handy tool to have in your kitchen. So it comes in 3 parts. You have the lid, and then the blade, and then the container. So everything is done, all your chopping is done all in one container. It has the non-skid base on the bottom, so you're not slipping and sliding as you're pulling. So, and this also holds 1 1/4 cup of food. So let's get started here. So we're going to chop the onion and the dill. I'm using dill seeds today. I don't have any fresh dill on hand, but that's okay. I just put like a pinch of dill seeds in. So there we go. So we're going to chop this up first. And you're going to pull it about 4 or 5 times, no more than that. So here we go. So already, see how that's chopped that up? That took no time at all. And 1 pull of this cord is equal to 12 cuts with a knife. I don't know if you knew that, but it's quite impressive because look how chopped up it made that onion. Okay, that didn't take any time at all. Okay, next thing we're going to do is put in the eggs and the mayonnaise. So, we use our silicone spatula. I'm going to get the eggs in like so. Okay, and then next I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise in. I'm not going to use the measuring spoon. I'm just going to wing it and put in. There's 1, 2. Okay. So, that's it. Now I'm going to put the lid back on. Now, see how big the eggs are? They're just regular full size, and I'm just going to pull it maybe 1 or 2 times, and I'll show you how chopped up this gets. In case you're just coming on, this is egg salad with dill recipe using the Chop and Prep Chef. So 1, 2. So let's see how chopped up that got. Already, it got very chopped up. So it's like a little bit chunky. Okay, I like my egg salad quite creamy, so I'm going to pull it maybe 1 or 2 more times. 1, 2. All right, so check that out, how nice and chopped up that got. I'm very pleased with that. I see we have someone watching. It's Tracy. Hi, Tracy. Hope you're having a good day. And then I'm going to put this on our sandwich. Okay. So, I'm going to just scoop that out right onto the lettuce. That took hardly any time at all. It helps if you pre-boil your eggs first, get them hard-boiled, and store them in the fridge, but check that out. So that is the demo of the egg salad using the Chop and Prep Chef. And there we go. And you can also store this in the fridge. It comes with a seal included. Just take out the blade and the top and put your seal on. Okay. And then also, I want to show you something. So the Chop and Prep Chef, the little gadget I just showed you here. This and this, yeah, my mind just went blank. They're selling these two in the sale this month for April. It's called the Power Chef Premium System. So this is a Power Chef system, and it also comes with the paddle attachment. I don't have it right here with me, and also the funnel that you attach. So this and also this Chop and Prep Chef comes as a set this month for $69. So keep your eye out for that. I will post that here in our group. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out to you, that it's a $93 value where you're getting them both for $69. So I just want to put that out there to you. This special is good till April 24th. So you get both of these for $69. So if you want to make more egg salad than just a cup and a quarter, you can make 5 3/4 of egg salad in the Power Chef system. So this is great to make the beginning of the week, and you have your egg salad or whatever kind of, salad and sandwich fillings for the entire week. So this holds almost 6 cups, and it comes with the same top as your Chop and Prep. Okay, and also in this Power Chef, you can make cake mix, brownie batter, cookie batter. You can shred meats. You can make your own whipped topping in this. You make your topping with the paddle attachment, and then you add all your liquid ingredients through the funnel that comes with this. Okay, so it's a great tool to have in the kitchen. Takes no electricity, and also great for camping, or when you're going and visiting and going on vacation, and say you get a condo or something, bring these along, because that way you don't have to lug along any blender or use their tools at the condo. Okay, so they're very good pieces to have in your kitchen. They're backed by lifetime warranty, so if anything should happen to them, they are covered for life. So that is also a good feature, and they are top rack dishwasher safe and also BPA free. So tell me in the comments if you like these. If you have any questions, I'll let you know. I can answer you right away. And also wanted to let you know that you can get these free, and you get them free by hosting a Tupperware party. So what I will do is set up a virtual shopping link for you. Doesn't matter where you live. If you live in the continental USA, we can set you up a virtual shopping link, and we set your party up here on Facebook, and your friends go shopping on your shopping link, and then you earn host credit to go toward any item in the Tupperware catalog. So just want to point that out to you. And also, this is our current dating gift. This is called the Tupper Mini Salt and Pepper Shakers. So that's what I'm going to use to shake onto my egg salad sandwich here in a minute. But these are the current dating gifts. These are good till the end of August for a dating gift. So you'll get these free when you date a party. Okay, just for setting up a date. You get the Tupper Mini Salt and Pepper Shakers automatically free. So that's just one of the free items, free, promotions that we have running right now. So like I said, if you are not in a position to buy any Tupperware right now, that's perfectly okay. I can help get you your products free. So just let me know when you're ready to date your party, or if you have any other questions regarding hosting a party. So I'm gonna get going here. Until next time, you have a great Friday, and take care. Bye.